Hey guys, this is Cooking with Kurt from London. We're here visiting my brother Hans.
Hey guys, welcome to London.
And today we're going to show you how to make one of his specialties, beef Wellington. Meat baked in pastry is a well-established part of English cuisine.
And I'd say beef Wellington's the best example out of all of them. So we're going to start off by heating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and then take a 2.5 pound beef fillet and rub it with plenty of butter and freshly ground black pepper to taste. We're going to stick that in the oven for about 20 minutes until your meat thermometer reads about 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
And while the filet, I say filet, he says fillet, is in the oven, we're going to prepare the duxelle. Take a large skillet over low heat, melt half a cup of butter, and add 2 minced shallots and cook till they're translucent about 5 minutes. Then add 1 pound of white button mushrooms minced, and add an additional 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to cook this very slowly, stirring occasionally in order to dehydrate the mushrooms completely. This will take about an hour till the mushrooms are dark and look like this. Let it cool to room temperature.
While the shallots and mushrooms are cooking down, the beef fillet should be getting just about done. Take it out of the oven and place it on a rack. Flame it with 1/3 of a cup of cognac and add salt to taste. Make sure both beef fillet and duxelle are cooled completely to room temperature before rolling in puff pastry. Otherwise, the puff pastry will melt and break apart. Measure the circumference of the fillet and roll the puff pastry, which has been defrosted according to packet instructions, so that it'll cover the fillet completely and overlap at the ends and at the bottom. Trim off any excess pastry and reserve this extra pastry for decorations.
Take the filet and brush it with a layer of foie gras. Now we're ready to assemble the dish. On a flat surface, put a layer of plastic cling wrap, then the puff pastry on top. Then spread a layer of the cold duxelle on top of the puff pastry. Then place the foie gras smothered filet in the middle, bring the edges of the pastry together and seal with some egg whites. Twist the ends together to make sure that the filet is completely sealed in the pastry. Then bring the edges of the plastic cling wrap together and twist it to squeeze the roll and create a uniform cylindrical shape. This will help to cook it more evenly. When you're happy with the shape of the roll, remove the plastic cling wrap. At this point you can make some fun decorations with the excess pastry, like leaves or whatever you'd like, and place them on top of the roll. Then take 1 egg yolk and beat it with 1/4 cup of heavy cream and brush the pastry with this mixture to give it a nice golden brown finish when it bakes.
We're going to bake this in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then reduce the heat to 375 degrees for another 20 minutes, until the crust looks golden brown. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before transferring it onto your serving dish. Carve using a serrated knife, each slice about 3/4 of an inch thick.
Hans, thanks for having us in London and showing us how to make beef Wellington.
You're very welcome.
And let us know in the comment section below if you're going to make this dish, and if you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Bye! Meat baked in pastry is a well-established...
Hello, Governor, I'm here too.